Hi. One of the most terrifying times in my life was when I drove a brand new SS marked police car into the front of another person's car, pushing that car back to the bonnet, back through the windscreen, ejecting the engine underneath, and trapping a lady who slumped over the steering wheel. I thought I'd killed her, I really did, but she's just unconscious for less than a minute apparently, and she was fine. But terrifying times. Hopefully never happen again. Well, that's what happened during my 23 years of policing. Well, so 22 and a bit years, I should say. If you'd like to hear the full story, please go to my site, The Long Way Home. Take care. Thanks. Bye.